not good.
That's not good.
That's not good.
That's not good.
Wait, you already got that?
Saucy.
I don't ever want to eat chicken nuggets or sauce
saucy.
ever.
I'm the one y'all love to hate.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm with my friend Crystal this week.
What's up, guys?
And we're gonna do the chicken nugget eating contest. We got 100 chicken nuggets. 50 each, 10 chicken nuggets.
Don't want to be
5 of these babies.
Oh,
I
you just dropped the sauce on the carpet!
And we're gonna do a 20-minute timer, and whoever can eat the most in 20 minutes wins. Are you ready?
Which means me. I'm gonna win. You gonna lose, girl.
We'll see, we'll see.
You're gonna make a timer for 20 minutes.
Yeah.
I see what you. I
right.
see what you're doing now.
Let's go, let's do this.
Okay.
Okay, first chicken nugget.
Okay.
I haven't eaten all day, so this is good.
Same.
The first one.
I'm already crying. We should have cheers.
Cheers, Cheryl. Let's try some habanero ranch.
You open 2? Oh.
Habanero ranch is good.
Just open all of them and try all of them.
All mixed together.
Yes. Yes.
It looks like a boot, like Italy. Yeah, I don't like mustard.
Like Canada, a boot.
A boot.
Not a boot, that nugget.
I wish McDonald's had dinosaur chicken nuggets though. Those are so much more fun to eat. I'm a 5-year-old.
You know?
Oh. Like
No.
hot and fresh.
Like hot and fresh. You like half a box done already? Who are you?
I may be small, but I can eat.
Question is, where does it go?
First box is complete.
Do you think we're gonna die tomorrow?
Probably. Yeah, I'm probably gonna die tonight.
Same.
Yeah. Maybe got some catching up to do.
Oh yeah? Does ketchup do this?
3.
You
I'm
know-
gonna try to eat 4.
Ooh, look at you. No, really, look at you.
13 minutes to go.
Oh. Oh, I don't like that.
Habanero?
It's hot.
Habanero.
What's a habanero?
It's a pepper.
Pepper,
It's
I
a
think,
hot
yeah.
pepper.
What? This doesn't even count.
That sounds good.
It does? Ah. Look at that. This is hard. I can't do that.
That's gonna make me sick.
My parents are too tight now. Me, all the time.
My goal is 40 nuggets. If I can't eat 50, at least I'll get 40.
Your goal is to consume 40 chicken McNuggets. That's a goal.
Hashtag goals.
I'm just gonna cool off. Crystal
Cool.
off.
Crystal cooling off.
You know, let's just. I'm dying.
Me too.
It's like a slow death. Are you closing your eyes hoping it'll go away? Well, you got 2 more to go. It's not going anywhere.
You got 5 minutes, girl.
You know, you only got 5 minutes to save the world.
Where's Wishbone? We need to give him the chicken nuggets.
That's cheating. You're cheating.
Wishbone, come eat my chicken nuggets. Can dogs have chicken nuggets? I think they can.
Can dogs have chicken nuggets? Comment below.
I'm pet
You
sitting.
decide. here to
After
cry.
this video, I'm gonna go throw up.
Are you?
Maybe.
I might too. Friendship.
Friendship goals.
Friendship goals.
Hashtag that. I can't eat anymore. This is disgusting.
Says the girl who's gonna eat more.
Yeah. Maybe if I close my eyes, I'll think I'm dreaming.
Does it make it easier with your eyes closed?
Chewing, yes.
Oh,
Swallowing, no.
No. Oh my god, I feel so sick.
Let's go. Why am I doing this?
Do it for me. I can't count. Wait, no, really, I can count.
You did 33.
Woo! Wait, how many did you do?
39.
So to beat you, I have to. We have 3 seconds left. 2 and 1, and wow. And the winner is Brooke Bridges. Woo! Wait, this is my score.
Since you lost, you should have to eat a bite of chicken nugget with every single sauce on it.
I'm fine with that. Would anyone like 10 McNuggets?
10 more. I have 11 left.
Comment below and we will send you these very same 20 nuggets that we did not eat. You are the lucky winner, kids.
If you guys enjoyed this make challenge that we tortured ourselves doing, then give it a big thumbs up.
Give it a big McLiker.
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 Do it.
Not McJagger.
McLiker. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel and subscribe to this punny girl.
That was a good one.
Our channel will be in the description below. See you guys next week. I love you.
Tacoma. I can't even lift my legs up. How sad is this?
And we're done.
And good night. I'm going to sleep. Goodbye.